Right, so in our program, we've got a random weapon. We're attacking with that weapon, and we're taking away the health from our enemy. So we just want to end our game by checking, are we successful? Did we actually manage to kill the enemy? So we're going to use that with an if statement. So we're going to check if our enemy's health, the enemy's HP, which we calculate up here, is less than 0. So if they've run out of hit points, so health points, then we managed to kill them. Now you notice it's got a nice squiggly red line there. At the end of each if statement, you have to include a colon. When you press enter, it does that indentation, that white space for you. So if the enemy has less than 0, we're just going to tell the user, you've killed the enemy. And of course, logically, if we haven't killed their enemy, if they still have health, in an else statement, we can tell them that the enemy is still alive. So we know that here in this, we are using an if statement. So we are selecting if. So we're selecting what to do if the enemy is alive or dead. Now when I run this, you'll see the enemy is still alive. Enemy is still alive. So what I might need to do is I might need to go and for testing purposes, reduce the enemy's hit points, health points to 100. So that way, there's a much higher chance that I'm actually going to kill this enemy. So when I change that for testing purposes and run my code, you'll see, well, we've done 961 damage to that enemy. They've got a negative amount of health, and therefore, we've killed that enemy.